Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's session, we will learn the My Orders page. So like what are the products I have ordered. So all the products list will come along with the status. And if the status is ordered, then cancel order button will be visible. So that much we will learn today. So I've created myorders.jsp. Okay, so first step is like I've added the Bootstrap CSS and font awesome, and these are the styles. And this page style also I have taken from the cart page itself. So whatever the cart design is there, I have applied for booking page also and my orders page also. Next, I have added header and footer. As you can see here, see header and footer is there. And yes, obviously, if the user is logged in, then only the my orders page should be visible. That's why I've added the condition session.get attribute of uname not equal to null. Then, as usual, like this is a div I've taken my orders and I've designed this div. The same design of cart page I've taken. And inside one div, I've created a table with the table headings, image, name, cost, quantity, and status. So these are the table headings. Then inside the T body, I have taken a Java code here. Like in the Java code, I am calling a method. First, I have created an object for the registration one class, and by using that object, I have called a method called get my orders. So what is there in get my orders method? So here I have taken a query called select star from orders. Yesterday, like in the previous session, we have created the orders table, right? So from the same orders table for the user session ID, like UID. So I'm fetching all the rows. So, okay. So I have already logged in here. Okay, see, I have already logged in and my user ID is 10. So for UID is equal to 10, how many rows are there in the orders table? So those many rows will be fetched here. Okay. So after fetching, like I'm by using the setter and getter method. So I'm fetching whatever the columns required from the orders table. I don't need all the columns. Whatever the columns is required, those many columns only I'm taking. Here instead of star, you can select the particular column also. So uh, that will improve the performance also. So let me select order ID, CID. So instead of selecting star, if you select a particular column, it will be good. And C cost. Star means it will fetch all the columns. Okay. And by using the setter methods are there in the product.java class. See, product is a class. So there, this is the old thing only. I have created a methods for all the variables. So in today's session also, I need two variables, that is OID and status. I have created already. So as you all know that how to create, first create a variable and right click here, insert setter and getter, insert code will be there. In that you can select setter and getter. Okay, this is already created. That's why it is not coming. It's okay. So in the previous session only, I have explained like you can create a variable and right click insert code, and their getter and setter methods will be there. So if you check what are the variables you need to create a method, so those methods will be appeared in the product.java. So today I have created here get OID variable and status variable. I have created two new things I have taken here. Okay, so all the columns whatever I have fetched, I have setted in this setter methods, and this object product p object, I am adding it to the array list, whatever I have created, and I'm returning that array list back to the JSP. Now, in this array list, all the orders of the user ID, whoever is logged in, will be stored in this array list object. Okay. And by using the iterator, have created object for the iterator, and I'm checking whether the data is present or not. If it is present, datas are there, then it will come inside and it will fetch one by one. Okay, one by one, it will be iterated, means loop. Okay, and it will, the output will be stored in the P, and by using the getter method, we are printing the data. So this is the one thing. Like first thing is I have fetched the orders of the user who have logged in. So this is the first thing I have done. Second thing, so in the orders table, I have only the cart ID. See, cart ID 1, 2, cart ID 9. So only like this I'm having. I don't have the information of the product. So information of the product is stored in the cart table, right? See, name, image, cost, quantity. So all the data are present in the cart table, not in the orders table. In the orders table, only cart IDs are present. So that's why, so I need to display this, I need a product name, image, and all I've taken right here. So display that, I need cart, I have to access the cart table also. So for that, what I'm doing is, I have created another method in the registration one class. Okay, get cart info means, and I'm passing the order ID. Okay, one by one. So in the orders table, actually 2 rows are there. So 2 times it will loop. Okay, in this while dot r iterator dot has next. See, I have closed here at the last. So here 2 times it will loop because 2 order IDs are there right here. Order ID 1 and 2. 2 times it will loop. It will execute 2 times. So inside that, I'm calling one more method for the particular order ID to fetch the cart items, means to fetch the products. See, in one order, there can be multiple products. Like for example, it can be one, or it can be two, or it can be three, or it can be many. So in particular, in one order, so many cart items or many product items can be there. So that's why I'm passing the particular order ID to this method. So what this method is doing is, as I've told, I want to access the cart table for the product information. That's why let's start from cart, where UID means your logged in user ID, and order ID. That's why I have passed here order ID. Okay, for example, first time order ID one will be there. So one will go here to the method. In the OID, one will be stored where order ID UID is equal to 10 and order ID is equal to 1. I am fetching the product information from the cart table. Okay, see cart table, UID is equal to 10. See, all the rows are UID is equal to 10, but order ID is equal to 1 means only 2 rows are there, means 2 products are there in the first order. So here 2 rows will be fetched. And whatever the columns I need, I have taken here. Here also, instead of star, you can fetch the particular columns also, like this. See, here I fetched, right, particular columns. Same way you can fetch instead of star the particular column also. And I'm storing it in the setter method, and this object I am adding it to array list object, and I'm returning this array list back to the JSP. Again, similarly, I have created one more iterator with the different object, iterator 1, and I'm looping that iterator dot 1 dot has next. Yes, the data is there. It will iterate, means one by one it will be printed. So again, I've taken a different product object P1 for this method. So for the first iterator, in the first iterator, it will fetch the orders of the logged in user. In the second iterator, it will fetch the product items of the particular order ID. Okay, so where this while loop is ending, see here, it is ending here only, means product information, wherever the product information is printing, like image, name, cost, quantity, and even status also, till here it will be loop, means it will print here and again it will loop like this. Okay, means 2 times, right? For order ID 1, 2 rows are there. Order ID 1, 2 rows are there. So 2 times this inside while loop will be executed. Okay, 2 times it will execute and it will come outside. Again, one more TD is there. This TD is for cancel order button. See, this cancel order button is there, right? So this cancel order button, this TD I have taken. There I have added one more condition called P dot get status. P in the sense the first iterator. See the first object P means order stable object. If that status is ordered, then only this will be visible. Otherwise, it will not be visible. For example, status column, for now it is ordered, but later it will be like cancelled also will be there. And maybe some delivered will be there or deleted from the admin side will be there. So like 3, 4 status will be there. That's why I'm checking the condition. If it is ordered, then only the cancel order button should be visible. For this, I have taken a form. One button I have created, cancel order button. And on clicking the cancel order button, it will go to the servlet cart order. And I have taken in the input hidden field, the order ID also I have taken. Okay, so this much is there in one TD. And this TD will be visible only when the status of the order table is ordered. Okay, otherwise this cancel order button will not be visible. And one more thing, this cancel order button will be visible only for the particular order ID. See, for example, in the first row, cancel order button is not there. It is there in the second row. Why? Because the first and second row, these two rows are of the same order ID. Okay, that's why only one cancel order is button, one cancel order button is coming in the last row. Okay, and why here in the third row, cancel order button is coming because this is the second order ID. Okay, here two order IDs are there, you can observe. One is order ID 1 and order ID 2. So for the two different order IDs, cancel order button are coming. This is not coming because first row and these two rows are of same order ID. That's why the cancel order button is coming only once at last. This third one is the different order ID. That's why in that order ID, only one item, one product was there. That's why only one row is printing with the one cancel order button. And you can observe here deeply, like I have added one this one HR tag. See, horizontal line is there. This is to differentiate the orders. See, for the first row, this HR tag is not there, right? Because both are same order ID. That's why after one order ID is completed, one HR tag is I have added. See here. See HR tag. So after this is like two rows are repeated already. See in this brackets, you can see 2 times it will execute. 2 rows are there and one cancel order button is there. Then one HR is there. Correct, right? 2 times it will loop. So first product, second product. So 2 rows it is finished. Then cancel order button is there. Then one HR tag is there. Again, okay. Again it will come to the first while loop. Then second order ID will come, like order ID 2 will come. Order ID 2 will be passed to the method. So in the order ID 2, so whatever the cart items are there, it will fetch, it will come back to the JSP, it will print. So in the order ID 2, how many items are there? Let me check. See, in the order ID 2, only one row is there. One item is there in a table. So that's why only one time it will be executed. That's why only one row is printing here. See, one row is printing. Then again, it will come out of the loop. Second, okay, it will come out of the loop. Then cancel order button will be visible and the HR tag is visible here. See it, you can observe deeply. One HR tag is there here. Okay, then the while loop will be ended because only two orders were there from for my ID. That's why the while loop will be ended. So like this, we are printing the orders, like whatever the orders are there for my user ID. So those many orders I'm fetching and printing in the JSP with a cancel order button. Cancel order button, one more time I'm repeating, cancel order button is single for single order ID. Okay, for multiple order IDs, cancel order is different. Okay, so this is about the my orders page. And one more thing, in the header, I have added the menu called see my orders.jsp. See, I've added one more anchor tag, my orders.jsp, my orders after the cart menu. So that's why the my orders is coming, and I have added this inside the session uname condition. It's after login only. So this menu will be visible. Okay, so this is about the my orders fetching. So along with the status and the cancel order. So in the next session, we will see the how the cancel order will work technically. Okay, fine. Next, one small information regarding, like, if you want any technical related stuffs or interview related questions, you can follow Karthik sir on Sukshmas. They are in the questions, e-notes and MCQ section. So you will find the all the technical related stuffs and interview questions. And if you want to become a beyond knowing mentor, so you will be having an opportunity, like you can earn a scholarship up to rupees 5,000 per month. So if you want to do that, you go to the details section, go to the BK mentors, read out these factors. If you satisfy all these factors, you will be appointed as a new BK mentor, and some policies are also there, so you can check out this. So just grab this opportunity. Okay. Thank you guys. See you in the next session.